What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's vlog. I am wearing the boyfriend's clothes, feeling gangsta. Just got back from Houston, literally just drove here, drove straight, haven't even been home yet. My car is a mess, look at this. I don't even want to show you guys, I'm embarrassed. There's like, just like a mess back there. Mostly because I was coming up to a stoplight and I kind of slowly eased on the brakes, went a little faster, than everything slid forward. That is the worst. Anyways, I drove straight from Houston, came to the grocery store because I got nothing in my fridge right now. Literally nothing. Actually, you got nothing. Yep, so we are gonna do a little bit of grocery shopping. We're gonna do it like a little mini grocery haul and get some stuff. I wish I had other clothes to put on, but that's okay. We're gonna rock it.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. 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 Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Home sweet home. Back in my apartment. I missed it. It's a little messy right now, but I missed it. Oh my goodness, it's not Christmas anymore. How sad. I ahead and laid out all of the groceries that I got. So I'm gonna let you guys check it out, little grocery haul. Here we go. Pretty sure I said small grocery haul. Said I was gonna grab a few things, didn't I? And we're gonna do it like a little mini grocery haul. That never happens. So check out all the stuff I got. Gosh, I don't even know where to start, guys. This is a lot. Glazed sweet potatoes that you can warm up in the bag, some frozen broccoli. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out over these. These are cauliflower pieces with buffalo sauce on them, spicy buffalo sauce. So it looks like chicken wings, but it's not chicken wings. So I'm stoked about those. Chobani lime yogurt, oh my gosh, they changed the packaging. Very cool, it's weird that I noticed stuff like that. Shaker cups, these were on sale, so gotta stock up on those. Pico de gallo, some strawberries, and there should be blueberries. And before I get the whole, oh my gosh, she said she's allergic, but she's buying fruit. Ugh. It's for Christian, and my friend Jessica's coming over, and I'm gonna make her a little something special. So I like to buy fruits and vegetables for my friends, especially when they come over and stuff, because I am healthy. If I can't have it, doesn't mean my friends can't have it. Anyway, moving on. I got mashed sweet potato. You all can make your own if you want. This is just quick, easy on the go. Rice pudding with coconut pieces. Already made chicken. I don't know why I put the body wash in here. Powder, some vanilla Greek yogurt, which is Christian's favorite. I got some sweet potato good thins, so instead of like wheat thins, it's like sweet potato thins. Some oatmeal, I got some whipped cream. Tortellini, I got ricotta and spinach, so it's like a little bit higher in protein. I got some Irish butter, which is my personal favorite. Christian's is, I can't believe it's not butter, so I got that for him. I got some chicken Alfredo casserole. Chopped cilantro, some ground beef for some burgers, ground turkey, lean, not the extra lean, but go ahead and get the extra lean if that's your thing. But fat adds some flavor, so I needed some flavor. Oven roasted turkey breast, cage-free eggs, English muffins, butternut squash, sprinkles, because I'm a kid at heart, organic stevia, coconut flour, turkey sausage, some detox tea, and no, this will not make you skinny. Cheez-Its. I got protein granola, lettuce scoops, veggies, zucchini squash, more squash, some more zucchini. Wow, cool. I got potato spirals, so that'll be good. Pickles, boom. Oh, and also some tampons. Alright, gonna go ahead and put all these groceries away now that I just laid them out all cute on the counter for you. Check out my fridge first of all. Look at this, it's so full of all kinds of things. I'm so proud of myself. Jessica and Christina are here. Jessica, what are you gonna show us how to do?
Make a heating pad.
How?
Because you don't have one.
Literally the worst cramps ever. They hurt so bad, so she told me to get a sock.
Get the rice. Or the rice in the sock.
Wait, this is organic rice. Can I still eat it after this?
Yeah.
Out of a sock? No,
Is it a clean? Wait, is it a clean? Is it a clean sock?
She's like, yeah, just freaking take those kernels out. Should I get 2 socks? Because it's only gonna take gross.
Oh my god.
I wanna beat you with this. You're so weird.
Put it in the microwave.
For how long?
Like 45 seconds.
Okay.
We can start with 30 seconds because I don't know what kind of wattage you have going on.
What kind of wattage?
I'm not gonna go buy a heating pad when I can make one.
Girl, you cannot heat up a sock at work.
That's true.
Will somebody please do this at work so we can prove her wrong?
Put it longer. That's not good enough. It must be a thick sock.
It smells organic.
Let's stick it on your area.
Oh my gosh.
Down my pants?
No, you don't have to, but if you want to.
Wow, it's super hot now. I can't put this in my pants. This really helps, guys.
It smells like jasmine.
It's organic. Here's the deal. We are gonna do workout number 5 of the workout program. But I have cramps, obviously. And I've been walking around with this like sack of rice. Instead of doing legs, which is workout number 5, we're just gonna go downstairs and take it easy, do some biceps, triceps, shoulders. You know, like the first day of your period sucks. And sometimes I just don't even work out the first day, or I'll push myself and I'll just do like a lighter workout. I'd rather do the full leg glute workout tomorrow when I am less crabby, less crampy, and I can actually like dominate the workout. Whereas tonight I know that I just don't have the strength. Then we're gonna come back up here and cook some food, because we're hungry. Made it to the gym. I'm gonna show you guys how bloated I am right now. Okay, let's see. Will you take this? Is it bad? Let me show you. Oh my god. I literally am bloated from my period and I had a bunch of pickles.
Really cute, Heidi. I love it.
Havana.
No.
Wow, look at your abs. What? Okay, well, I'm embarrassed, so. That's good. All right, guys, just finished dinner. Check it out. Lettuce scoops at HEB. This is white jasmine rice, lean ground turkey. This is some sauteed vegetables. These are some sides, some pico de gallo. Is that how you say it? Pico de gallo? Wait, say it again?
Pico de gallo.
Okay, I see you, girl. And some fresh cilantro. Mushrooms, it's got cheese and cilantro on it. So this is just like little appetizers.
Girl, anytime you want me to
1 out of 10.
I'll give it a 9. Nothing's perfect.
A 9?
Yep.
This is her second taco.
Christina,
Oh, shit,
1 to
mine
10.
fell apart.
What do you give it?
That's a 10, girlfriend.
10.
I make
Well, you need to come to reality.
perfection.
Yo, my tacos is just.
I got you.
Food is not good. Oh my god, it's a sandwich.
What we're doing now is we're making.
You're making.
So we're gonna make a mug cake. And I used to make these all the time when I was paleo, and I thought they were so good, delicious, and really easy. You just throw it in the microwave and you make yourself a cake. So I'm gonna make one for like myself, and then ones for Christine and Jessica that are like a little bit more fun, because it's like strawberry shortcake. I can't with strawberries, I really wish I could.
We're caught in burning fire, almost falling from the sky, and the sun may tear the wings of us like Icarus. We fly with courage and bravado, fly with passion in our hearts.
It looks like a sparkle biscuit.
And realizing the power of love will guide us safe to shore.
What's going on? Day 2 of the vlog. Pulled up to the warehouse. I have a meeting with the girls going over 2017, just kind of like overall everything. I might show a few clips. All right, so we're starting off the meeting with
See Maxwell, the Maxwell Daily Leader. It is 365 days of leadership insight. January 9th, the power of focusing. What does it take to have the focus required to be a truly effective leader? The keys are priorities and concentration. A leader who knows his priorities but lacks concentration knows what to do but never gets it done. If he has concentration but no priorities, he has excellent without progress. But when he harnesses both, he has the potential to achieve great things.
update, y'all. Just got back to my apartment and we just had a 4.5-hour meeting at Buck Bunny Collection. Now I am downstairs in the lobby area of my apartment, gonna get some work done on my laptop. Here we go. All right guys, so I just got to the gym for the second time today, and I'm gonna rant, and I'm cranky. I got to the gym, I was unprepared. That's right, I did not bring a tampon, and I'm sorry if I'm scaring all the guys away from my channel, but this is real life. So I go into the gym, I'm so excited, I'm freaking itchy for my pre-workout because I took a lot, and then there's no tampons in this gym. So then I was like, okay, what's open at 10:30 p.m.? Absolutely nothing around here. So then I go to the movie theater and I'm like, hi, do you guys have tampons? And she's like, yeah, in the bathroom they're 50 cents. I'm like, okay. So then I have to go to the ATM, get cash out, get change, but get enough change to get tampons. And I go to the bathroom and it's these weird little tampons. It's not even like a real tampon. It's like this little piece of cotton. And so I'm like, why? Water bottle, what? My water bottle spills, okay, not half, but there's water that spilled in my car, and then Christian tried to call me, and my phone is dying. It's on 1% because Apple sucks. Their batteries do not last long at all. But you know what? I'm at the gym. We are gonna freaking dominate. Dedicated. What's going on, guys, and welcome to the workout portion of the vlog, of the video. This is workout number 5 of the workout program if you guys are following it along with me. Hey, hey. And this is leg glute workout number 3 of the program in a week. So if you guys are skipping it, awesome. If you guys are doing it with me, yeah, more power to you. Started off with a warm-up of some wall balls. If you guys don't have access to a padded ball, do not use a kettlebell or dumbbell for that exercise. Just do some air squats as a little warm-up. I also did some Swiss ball leg curls as a warm-up, as well as some barbell front squats, so 45 pounds. And then I moved on to my actual workout, which was front squats, weighted, and it was 4 sets of 8 to 10. And I did 85 pounds very comfortably. Next exercise was dumbbell Romanian deadlift, and I did 3 sets of 8 to 10 with this exercise. This is different from a stiff leg deadlift, so you're gonna slightly bend your knee and you're just gonna move your hips back as you go down. VersaGrips definitely help out a lot with those, so I suggest using VersaGrips if you have a weak grip strength. Moving on, I did some dumbbell step-ups, and I used 20 pounds for that, and it was the perfect weight for me because I was able to do controlled reps. So a lot of times if I go too heavy, the weight kind of just like it just brings you down with the gravity, and I'm not able to do them as steady and as quality and controlled as I like. Next exercise was GHD raises, and there's an actual GHD machine at most gyms. This gym did not have one, so I improvised by using this cable machine and a little step-up contraption, and it worked perfectly. If you have a partner, you can actually use your partner as well, but I was working out by myself tonight. Next exercise was calf raises, and to be honest, I don't even know why I train my calves because they never grow no matter how much I concentrate on them or anything like that. But you know what? I have hope. I got faith. I am still trying. So did 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And then the finisher of the workout was 50 air squats. And I did mine on this Bosu ball, but don't feel like you guys have to do that. I was honestly just being extra and working on my balance. They're very difficult. However, I feel like it's worth it because it really burns your legs like crazy. It's gonna be it for the workout portion of the vlog, guys. So make sure to give the video a thumbs up and enjoy the rest of the vlog, which is like an ending, so bye guys. Finally home. The workout was exactly what I needed. I feel a lot better. I feel less stressed. Still cramping, but I'm okay. I want to do a sit down talk, kind of like my last video where I talked about like my breast augmentation. But let me know what topic you guys want me to do next. And be like, I don't know. How I make money is one that like I see a lot, like how do you make money? Or it could be one regarding like fitness, nutrition, what it was like to grow up in Alaska, my thoughts on bikini competitions, going over 2017, whatever topic you guys want me to do. And I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. So I love you guys and I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you give a thumbs up, watch my previous video, my other previous video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.